All right, guys, we got an awesome product here, and I want to tell you all about it. This is a fireproof 16-pocket case for documents, folders, and everything you could possibly need. It's also waterproof. So I'm excited to get into it. I'm going to show you, and if you stick around for the end, you might see something pretty awesome. So let's go ahead and open it up here and see what we are working with. All right. So again, a fireproof case. Already can tell high quality. Definitely got a nice protection all the way around. So you do have a TSA lock on it, which makes it that next level aspect. So you have a TSA approved lock on the outside of it with a 3 code aspect, and then you do have your unlock feature. So what makes it really nice is you can take and put right here, you can see, you can put in your zipper, and with the zipper in, you're able to make sure that your bag is secure. So you see how that popped out? Let's go ahead and pop on the second one, just like it should be. Bada boom, bada bang, just like that. You just clip them down, and then there you have it. When you got the proper code, you pop it open, and you're good to go. So check out that TSA approved aspect right there. That is really awesome. And starting out with a proper code with it, you do have a little key that comes along with it that you can utilize if you were to lose the code. But let's go ahead and hop the rest of the way open. Again, very nice upscale zipper on the outside, which I'm definitely digging. You have a very wide pocket that's able to open up. You can see how wide that goes all the way to the bottom. And then moving on, here we have it. You have a mesh back on this side. So take a look, mesh with a nice zipper section. Again, being protected. And you have extra pockets right here on this first side. And then on the other side, you have a spot for credit cards. You have another zipper pocket across the top. And then you also have your mesh pocket right here. You can fold this down as well. So you have a pocket on the back of it, and then a larger section. You want to throw a laptop in here with the zipper pocket. I mean, this stuff has storage for days. Now, what makes it awesome is in the middle of this, you have an accordion section. Let me get to the right spot here. Okay, zipper all the way around. And with this, you're going to have 16 file sections here. You have all the months of the year labeled out. You can pop in and you can label these out. Fantastic. I mean, look at that. That is awesome. We want to talk about like document protection. This thing is absolutely next level. But if you stay around this long, you've seen this stuff before. But what I'm about to show you is something super sweet. Remember what I told you? It's fireproof. Well, fireproof means we're going to throw some fire on it. So let's go ahead and see what happens. Let's go ahead and crack down the lock here, just like we would. Remember, like I said, you're just going to pop this over. Boom. And boom. That is locked in. And let's go ahead and check and see how fireproof it is. All right. I got a torch. We're going to go ahead and open it up. Let's see. Real torch. I mean, I'm not joking. Like, we got fire happening here. So, from a fireproof perspective, let's go ahead and check it out. You're going to see just like that. This thing is withstanding it. The thing, there's nothing wrong. You got a little smoke, but it is not. I mean, you can't see anything. Let's go ahead and see it again. Nothing. Nothing. Just like that. I mean, I don't know what company out there is showing you something like this. These people said, hey, test it, show it. There is no problem with this. Let's go ahead and see how hot is it. So it definitely has some heat to it. Obviously, I mean, I got some fire, but it's already cool to the touch, right? Like, I put my hand on it, I don't feel anything. Now, the telltale is going to be what does it look like on the inside. So we're going to crack it open and see what it looks like. Let's go ahead and do the back of it. As you can go ahead and see right here, again, you guesstimate. I mean, you can see I am shooting it right there without any problems. Okay? I mean, we got fire for days. So let's go ahead and open it up and see if it messed up on the inside, because that is going to be the telltale of it. Go ahead and crack this open, and we can see what we're working with here. Any damage? So far, So good. Let's go and get this open here. Nothing. Right? I don't see any damage. No. I mean, I know you're taking my word for it. You can see right here, this is the reflective material. There's nothing on it. Just through and through. Pretty easy. Pretty awesome. Guys, I'm super excited to work with this company. Super excited to use a document safety holder just like this that, like I said, is waterproof and will take care of your paperwork. Waterproof and, more importantly, fireproof. Definitely, at the end of the day, you know what we say? We always got to check it out.